Hi, this is Gary Anderson reporting for Engineering.com. I'm here in Vancouver, British Columbia at Tinkerine Studios, and I'm going to introduce investors to three key people at the company that I think you'll find both informative and compelling. The first step will be Eugene Suyu. He's the co-founder and president, CEO of Tinkerine Studios. Then will be Kevin Brandt from Tinkerine University Initiative, and Tinkerine is doing something that virtually no other company in consumer-grade 3D printers is doing with their launch of Tinkerine U. And then finally, you'll get to meet Ben Yan. We all know that HP is going to be entering 3D printing pretty soon, and Ben has a long and distinguished career at Hewlett-Packard, where he was in charge of their global sales. And he's right here now with Tinkerine. So first, we've got Eugene Suyu, and Eugene, it's great for me to be here and to meet you. So tell me about your vision for Tinkerine Studios.
So Tinkerine's vision is to make a system that's extremely integrated and simple to use. We focus on the usability aspect of the machines and the software, and making that process extremely easy to use. Somebody should be able to jump in and look at these hardware and be able to use it. We want to make that hardware portion extremely invisible as well. We want to focus on the process of allowing somebody to come up with the idea and to use these tools, whether that's the hardware or the software, to bring out that creation. The education aspect is something that we feel is extremely important, something that I hold true to kind of all the values that we bring in here. We're all designers, and we feel that if we can really leverage and start to educate people on that aspect, then we can start to foster innovation and really start to push and accelerate how people come up with these ideas. The team here, we've assembled an awesome team. We've got Ben Yang, who used to be the global distribution manager for HP, Hewlett-Packard, and we've got Kevin Brandt, who used to be a director of curriculum at Burnaby School District, which is one of the biggest districts in Vancouver. And so they both bring a set of skill sets that we are looking for in both really implementing this and distributing this, and also getting the curriculum aspect of it done to the level that we can actually go out and educate people.
Next up, we have Kevin Brandt, director of Tinkerine U. So Kevin, tell me about your vision and tell me about Tinkerine U.
Tinkerine U has been developed as a comprehensive training solution for 3D printing and design, integrating it into a full spectrum of curriculum for K-12, post-secondary, and consumers. One of the things that we found very early on, both from our experience and from our customers' experience, was that there was a lack of training in 3D printing, whether that's simply taking it out of the box, troubleshooting, getting started, to higher end design applications. And what we have set out to do is to take and put online courses through our Tinkerine U site available to everybody to learn how to get started with 3D printing. This is part of a larger training ecosystem that will include an object library. It will include higher end lessons on design and different software packages for people to be able to create anything that they want with a 3D printer. We're also creating an ecosystem and a platform, a custom learning management system with our partners at Ready Labs from Simon Fraser University, which will allow us to create a sharing environment for educators, consumers, people in maker spaces to share their designs with everybody. We're going to vet these designs and vet this program, but what we want to do is to be able to have a system where if you're a chemistry teacher and you have created an excellent lesson where you're developing molecules using the 3D printer, that you're able to upload that and you're able to share that with other chemistry teachers across the world. If you're a designer, you're able to show your designs and share them and share your lesson plans. If you're a consumer who's looking to print things out for your home, that will be available for you as well. What we want to do is to show that the 3D printer is a teaching tool and it's also a learning tool. There's a huge market space for us. We are the first mover in this area. We are training people A to Z on 3D printing. We are taking the early adopters and we are taking the later adopters and we're giving them an opportunity to ramp up their learning as quickly and as rapidly as possible. One of the things that we found with the first wave of 3D printers coming into especially public institutions like schools, where there may not be a huge amount of training that teachers have in 3D printing, that they didn't really know what to do with them. And there was some places they did, but there was a real difficulty in getting up to speed. We believe that with this second wave and with the training program that we've provided, everybody who takes these programs will be able to get up to speed on 3D printing and begin using it for what it's actually supposed to be used for, which is rendering so that you can design, you can work on those applications that people want to do. It's a $90 billion ed tech and 3D printing industry, part of a $4 trillion education industry worldwide. And we believe that we have a real advantage moving into that space by providing this ecosystem, our learning management system, and the training that we have available, and the high quality of courses that are developed by teachers, for teachers, by high-level educators at the university level.
And finally, we have Ben Yan, the sales channel manager, who again came from HP. So Ben, tell me about your plans for the sales channel at Tinkerine Studio.
Tinkerine has a very well-oiled channel strategy to go into the marketplace. We will have two categories of partners. One is the best in class. The second one is the certified dealers. We provide all this certification training and make sure that the best in class know the pre-sale support, the post-sale support, and also how to deploy the after-sales extended warranty that we have. We raised the bar for the 3D printing industry by offering a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, plus we have an extended service warranty. Our dealer network will be offering on-site services for some of the major customers that they don't want to send the printer to their location. That's how we do that. From a regional perspective, we will divide the globe into a number of regions. In Europe, we have something called EMEA, E-M-E-A, that is Europe, Middle East, and Africa. For Asia, we have Asia North, and we also have Asia South, and we'll be able to cover that spectrum. For the Americas, we have North America and also Latin America. So we have the whole world covered. When we talk about all channel strategies, we're not just talking about the brick and mortar and the dealer network. We also want to make sure that we cover the cyberspace, the internet, the blogging, the Facebook, and the social network area as well. We're quite confident that HP is very successful with their channel strategy throughout the years, and I'm very confident that our team would definitely be successful to roll out a very successful and very effective channel strategy.
This is Gary Anderson. Thanks for watching.